Connecting Printify to your Etsy store allows you to seamlessly integrate print-on-demand products. Here's a brief guide. Create Printify account. Sign up for an account on Printify if you don't have one. It's a platform that connects you with print providers for customized products. Connect to Etsy. In your Printify account, navigate to the Stores section and click Connect next to Etsy. Follow the prompts to link your Printify account with your Etsy store. Authorize access. You will be directed to Etsy to authorize access. Log into your Etsy account and grant permission for Printify to connect. Set up Etsy shop. If you haven't set up your Etsy shop, do so by providing the necessary details and creating product listings. Select products in Printify. Go back to Printify and select the products you want to offer in your Etsy shop. Customize designs, pricing and variants. Push products to Etsy. Once your products are configured in Printify, push them to your Etsy shop. This action transfers product details, pricing and images. Sync inventory. Printify automatically manages inventory levels. Any sales made on Etsy will update inventory counts on both platforms. Manage orders. When a customer places an order on Etsy, Printify processes it automatically. You can track orders and monitor fulfillment within your Printify account.